Mhm. Yeah, welcome to my channel, guys to everything. You're welcome to my channel, guys to everything. You're going to learn how to apply for Big Brother Nigeria audition 2019. You're going to learn the requirements for the application of application for Big Brother Nigeria 2009 audition. Actually, for you to qualify for Big Brother Nigeria audition, that is the requirement for Big Brother Nigeria 2019 audition, is simple. All you need that it must be a Nigerian. You must have identity card showing that you are a Nigerian. You must have an identity card showing that you are what, a Nigerian. Number two is that you must not be less than 21 years old. You must what? You must not be less than 21 years of age. You must possess an identity card, like I said before, international passport showing that you are a Nigerian and you are not less than 21 years old. Education qualification is not so important, but you must be illiterate. You must be able to speak English. So these are the requirements, and there is no form for you to buy online. Once you get to the audition, you'll be provided with a form where you fill your other details. Some people are saying online they'll just be giving you different websites for you to go there. There's nothing like that. All you have to do is just go to the audition close to you. I'm going to show you now the audition, the centers for the audition that have been released by Big Brother Nigeria for 2019. So these are the other requirements for you to qualify for the program. So you don't need to, go anywhere to fill any form or buy any form online. Don't give anybody any money to buy any form online. So just once you meet this requirement that I stated here, you just go to any center that's close to you. These are the audition centers that are there. If you are within Lagos, if you are in Lagos, Ogun State, if you are in Lagos or Ogun State, the center for you is Lagos. The address is West Town Hotel, number 1 Ayeni Street behind Sheraton Hotel, there in Ikeja, Lagos. So if you are within Lagos or within Ogun State, this center is for you. You go there yourself, and with all your documents, like we have mentioned here, you must go with your national passport. You must be below 21 years, and you must be a Nigerian. And if you meet these requirements, you are a lady or a guy, you can go for this audition. So you have to go to any center close to you. You don't have to buy any form anywhere. Just go there. Any center that's close to you, go there for audition. You'll be selected. All the people that are coming for the audition will be selected according to your ability. So make sure you attend to the one that's close to you. If you're in Lagos, in Ogun State, so you can go to Ikeja for the audition. And don't forget that the time is in the morning, so make sure you are there before 9 a.m. If you're also in Port Harcourt, you are in Aba, you are in Abia, you are in Imo State, you are in Imo. This is the best for you. The best location for you now is Port Harcourt, 5141 Aba Road, Port Harcourt. If you are watching that, you can go there for audition. So if you are selected, good luck. So if you are in Abuja, you are in Nasarawa, you are in Jos, you are in Nasarawa, you are in anywhere, you are within close to, you are in Kogi State, you are in Kogi, you are in Nasarawa, you are in Plateau, you are in Taraba, you are in Bauchi, and you are interested, this is the place to be. The place to be is Multi-Choice Office, plot 1548 Ademola Tokunbo Street, beside Nema, adjacent Transcorp Heating, Maitama in Abuja. If you are also in Enugu, you are in Anambra, you are in Anambra, you are in Enugu, you are also within that axis. So the place to be is Oakland Hotel and Park, Tunnel Crossing, Ogui Link Road, beside 18 Plaza in Enugu. That's where you have to be. You go there for audition. You don't need to apply anything online. You don't need to get any form. If you're interested, just go there for your audition. And you don't need to. All you need to do is hold your international passport. You go there. You'll be interviewed, and if you pass the interview and other things that will be required of you, you'll be selected to be part of the Big Brother Nigeria 2019. Like we are saying, the time is 7 a.m. prompt. You understand me? So the time is 7 a.m. prompt. Don't forget that is the time for the program. So prepare yourself to be there. Prepare yourself to be there. So the next one is Delta State. If you're in Delta State, you're in Warri, you're in Asaba, Agbo, anywhere you are, Bauchi, what is it called? You are in Awuchi, you are in Benin, and all that. So the place to be is Delta State, Delus Gardens Suits, Bauchi Close, Shell, Ajaba, Warri. So that's where you are. You have to be in Warri. You're in Asaba, Warri. You're also in Benin. You're in Awuchi, Ekboma. In all those areas, wherever you are there. So for you to go is for you to go to Warri for your audition. So you don't need to have, you don't need to get any form online to go there. Once you go there with your national passport and you pass through some screening and audition and interview, if you pass, you will be part of the Big Brother Naija. So once you win the money, do not forget me. Next one I say Ibadan. Ibadan there is there. So Ibadan now have to move 21 Event Center, MKO Abiola Way, Ring Road by Adeyo Junction, Ibadan. The time for this audition now is what? 9 a.m. So, like we said, there's no much qualification. Must be a Nigerian citizen, 21 years of age, and all that. So, I believe this little guy helps. Don't forget that the audition is for you. It's for you. You don't need to hold any application. All you have to do is just go to the center close to you where you are staying. If you are anywhere you are located, just go straight to what I've told you and make sure that you are there. You might be asking what is the time. The time for the you might be asking what is the date for the audition. The date is Friday 1st of February and Saturday 2nd of February 2019. That is the date for the audition. Well, let me mention it again. The time is what? The time is 7 a.m. in the morning, and the date is Friday 1st and Saturday 2nd of February 2019. So I wish you good luck. When you win the money, do not forget this channel. Come and donate money to us. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make your comment with the comment box below. Hope to see you as a winner in the Big Brother Naija 2019 program. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. God bless you.